Hey guys, welcome to the Genius series, where we're sharing with you top expert knowledge so you can become an Amazon selling genius. In today's episode, we're going to cover an absolutely crucial part of the process, and that is product hunting. So the very foundation of every Amazon business is the products you sell. Choosing the right products to sell can either make or break your business. So it's really important to spend time in this area, namely your product research. We're going to cover this topic across several videos, but today I want to share with you the 8 key elements of a best-selling product. These will serve as guidelines to give you the best chance of finding that winning product to sell on Amazon. Now, these have been broken down into 6 must-have elements and then 2 would-like-to-have elements. Let's start with the must-haves. Number 1, high demand. We want to make sure that there's actually demand for the product we're selling. The easiest way to gauge this is by the number of sales a product is getting. We typically suggest that new sellers look for products getting at least 300 sales per month. Any less, and it might be tough to make a great return on your product investment. Number 2, low competition. Even if you've got a great product with great demand, if the competition is really high, then you're not going to have much chance in ranking in the top search results and getting many of those sales. The best way to determine competition is by looking at the average review counts for the product niche on the Chrome extension or Niche Hunter. Shoot for products whose top sellers have less than 100 reviews, and definitely no more than 200. Number 3, good margins. We try to go for products that will earn a gross margin of at least 25%. In business, the gross margin is the profit a product makes after you subtract all the direct costs from the price the product was sold for, then divide the price back onto the remainder. For an Amazon product, those direct costs are usually costs of goods sold, shipping costs to Amazon, and then Amazon's fees, which are made up of their referral fee, usually 15% of the sales price, and then also their fee for picking and packing, and then your PPC advertising costs. Number 4, low seasonality. Starting out, you don't want to pick a product that's only going to sell one time out of the year. Try to find products that sell all year round. A great tool to help you do this is Google Trends. Just type in the keyword for your product and you'll instantly see that keyword's history. Take a look at this example of Christmas lights. This is what you don't want to see. You'll notice there's very little search traffic throughout the year, but around Christmas time each year is a big spike. You want to find products that aren't quite so seasonal. Number 5, no legal issues. Keep it simple to start with. Certain products can cause problems and may require a ton of paperwork and registration. Obviously, examples like this include anything that needs FDA regulations like food and health supplements, but even mundane items like permanent markers need special forms. They're considered hazmat. It's not always easy to know what products need approval, but keeping your products as simple as possible is a good start. Then you can also do further research online to be absolutely certain. Number 6, sell for $18 to $50. So this ties in with the profit margins we spoke about earlier. If you go too much lower than $18, the profit margins become very slim. So it's a good idea to make this your minimum. The higher you can get your price, the higher your profit margins will be in most cases. Up to $50 is a good amount because generally, customers are happy to make purchases around this mark from an unknown brand such as your private label. If you're selling a product for $100 or $200 on the other hand, they're more likely to do research into the brand they're buying from, so it's harder to sell a product as a brand new private label. Next, let's look at the 2 would-like-to-haves. Number 1, ways to improve the product. In 2018, I'd almost go as far to say that this is a must-have. The easiest way to find ways to improve products is through reading your competitors' product reviews. Our product database inside the Jungle Scout web app has a great filter to help you do just that. Come down to rating, and let's set this to a maximum of 3 stars. Let's also set a minimum of 300 sales per month and a maximum of 100 reviews. So the results you're seeing here are products that are selling well on Amazon, despite the fact that they aren't rated that highly. People must really want these products. This gives you the opportunity to improve upon them. Now, the easiest way to do so is to open up some of the listings and look at the 1-star, 2-star, 3-star reviews to get an idea what it is that people don't like about this product currently. It usually becomes quite apparent after reading some reviews. You can then take this information to your supplier and ask them to make changes accordingly. Number 2, small and lightweight. As a general rule, we say look for products that would fit inside of a shoebox. Products that are bigger and heavier cost more in shipping, and there are more restrictions on Amazon's end in terms of how many you can send in at a time. So particularly when you're starting out, small and lightweight products is the way to go. So there you have it. Those are the 8 key elements of a best-selling product. In future episodes, we're going to cover more areas of product hunting so you have the most well-rounded knowledge around this crucial stage. I hope you've got some value from this episode. Please give us a big thumbs up if you have, and make sure you subscribe to our channel below so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. Thanks for watching today, guys, and take care.